Assalamualaikum. We are the team of dietitians from UOL.
Today we are celebrating Pizza Day.
And now we are going to make
A healthy pizza.
And the interesting thing is, it's a whole wheat pizza.
And we are promoting balance today.
For you guilty players.
Now let's make a whole wheat pizza. First of all, we add 1.5 cup of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons olive oil and salt to taste, 2 cups of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and mix it well. So our dough is ready. Let it stay for 1 hour. Adding 250 gram chicken, salt to taste, pinch of kalwanji, half tablespoon dry coriander, 2 green chilies, tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoon yogurt and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Now fry the chicken and cook it well. Now spreading the pizza sauce on a dough, some cheese, chicken, capsicum, some onions, olives, and here our pizza is ready. We enjoyed the healthiest and the yummiest whole wheat pizza, which is indeed a great option. Let's move to the benefits. It contains capsicum and onion, which is from the vegetable group, contain vitamin C, which boosts up your immune system, and vitamin A. It contains antioxidants which help in cancer prevention. Cheese from dairy group contain fatty acid butyrate. Butyrate nourish colon cells and prevent colon cancer. Butyrate also helps in weight loss. Olives are rich in vitamin A. It contains oleoxanthin which help in cancer prevention. Chicken provides protein which build up bone muscles and tissues. We use herbs and our dough is made up of whole grains, which is the best source of carbohydrate. Here we are distributing brochures to the people to promote healthy and balanced eating. Admire and don't regret what you eat. Stay healthy and feel great.